Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Zyllion Shiatsu back and neck massager in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Zyllion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager 3D Deep Tissue Kneading Massage Pillow with heat for back pain, muscle aches, chairs and cars, not cordless. Black Xenon A13 Bake. The Zyllion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager kneads your muscles with 4 nodes to relieve tension. It's the shape and size of a small pillow and weighs less than 4 pounds, which means it can be easily transported just about anywhere. It even comes with a plug-in car adapter. It also features Velcro straps to secure it to the back of your desk chair for a soothing mid-work massage. As for bonus features, the nodes heat up for extra tension relief, and the device will automatically shut off after 20 minutes to prevent overheating and overuse. You can use this massager all over your body and not just on your neck. Just place it wherever you're experiencing aches and pain. The only downside to this product is that it requires an outlet, as it cannot run on batteries or hold a charge. Number 4. Zyllion Neck Massager Shiatsu Deep Tissue Dual Trigger Point Shoulder Massager for pain relief, ergonomic handle design, lightweight and portable MS-110. Controllable massage intensity. The 2 soft yet firm silicone balls can help relax your tense muscles by focusing on the main pressure trigger points. You can apply the right strength for your different massage needs, which is suitable and easy to use for all ages. Relieve muscle pain and release fatigue. You can press, squeeze, and knead to release your tight, stiff, and aching muscles on your neck, shoulder, or leg, so to help improve your blood circulation to release your fatigue, which improve your sleeping quality and maintain good body energy. Mimic a massage a person. The dual trigger point massager balls give feelings like hands of a massagist for deep penetrating the muscles and instant pain relief. You will feel refreshed and relaxed after just 5 minutes massage. Number 3. Zyllion Shiatsu Neck Back Massager with Heat 2D Row 3D Kneading Massage Chair Pad Adjustable Compression Seat Massager for Full Body Relaxation. Gifts for Women Men Dark Gray. Relax full body. The massage chair utilizes innovative 2D/3D finger pressure shiatsu, rolling, compression, vibration, and heat functions to provide you an omni-comfortable massage to the back like a spa massage. Creative 2D/3D shiatsu massage. The Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager with Heat. It has 4 rotation nodes to provide deep kneading massages for neck and shoulder. This massager incorporates our latest innovative technology. The massaging nodes move inward and outward motion to create 2D or 3D finger pressure shiatsu massage with double comfort for your back. Adjustable rolling and spot massage. The chair massager features soft rolling massage along the back spine combats across the whole back, and the width between 2 massage heads can be adjusted to fit the body. Number 2. Homedics Neck Massager. Heated shiatsu neck, shoulder and back massager with 3 speeds, changes of direction, and convenient straps. Portable relief for neck, shoulders, back, and legs. This handy shiatsu-style neck massager is a compact option, making it great for bringing on the go. The 4 massage nodes can be programmed to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your preference. They also heat up to provide additional relief for deep aches and pains. And if you fall asleep during your massage, no need to worry. It has a 15-minute automatic shoot-off function. The nodes can also vibrate at 3 speeds, so you can control the intensity. The device wraps around your neck and shoulders, hugging comfortably to your body with handles on both sides that allow you to pull the massager closer for more intensity. The only downside is that this massager isn't hands-free. You have to hold on throughout the treatment cycle. On the other hand, you can also wrap the massager around your legs and calves. Number 1. Invaspa Shiatsu Back Shoulder and Neck Massager with Heat Deep Tissue Kneading Pillow Massage Back Massager, Shoulder Massager, Electric Full Body Massager Gift Massagers for neck and back. The Invaspa massager wraps comfortably around your shoulders for a targeted neck massage, with straps on either side that allow you to control the pressure. This device features 8 nodes for the ultimate shiatsu massage that can target locations all over your body that need special attention. The nodes have 3 speed levels and rotate clockwise and counterclockwise, switching directions every minute for maximum massage benefits. The Invaspa Shiatsu massager also has a heating option and can be positioned anywhere on your body for a deeply soothing shiatsu massage. It comes with a car adapter if you want to use it on a long car ride, and it has a 15-minute auto shutdown timer for added safety.